7 squared gives us 49. So we have 49 minus 7 divided by 1, then times 7. Now 1 times 7 equals 7. So we have 49 minus 7 divided by 7. Okay, 7 divided by 7 is just 1. So we have 49 minus 1, which equals 48. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one exponent, one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this exponent, then this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before, if we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this exponent. 7 squared gives us 49. So we have 49 minus 7 divided by 1, then times 7. Now we have one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And as I said, the multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So therefore, here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, so first this division. 7 divided by 1 is just 7. So we have 49 minus 7, then times 7. Now we have to do this multiplication. 7 times 7 equals 49. So we have 49 minus 49, which equals 0. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 0. Now it's your turn. Find the value of this expression. 20 minus 6 divided by 2. Leave your answer in the comments.